custom battery trays, side skirts for the Armma Limitless Jaguar body. We have carbon fiber custom front piece, the carbon fiber custom trays. We will be selling these. If you need them, hit me up. This is the custom plate side trays for the Jaguar body. So you don't have to worry about catching wind. The body actually velcros to the side of these custom plates right here. They're stainless steel. They actually should keep the car from getting airflow. I custom make them myself. You can get them for around 15 bucks. Carbon fiber is 22 bucks. Actually, yeah, 22 bucks for the carbon fiber. And then the stainless steel ones is $15. Custom made and shipped to you. We cut this rear diffuser because we changing the airflow since we running a different body. And this is the Jaguar body that fits on. As you can see, we can velcro it to keep the wind from getting up under there. Custom plates for the limitless Jaguar body. Anybody interested? You can see. Body velcros on perfectly. The body is velcroed on perfect. So that's all you need to make your Jaguar body not catch air. We also cut the back out so to see how it performs without a wing. We will be airing a video soon. Like, subscribe, comment. If you're interested in these trays, go on my YouTube channel or hit me on one of the Facebook pages, the Armma Limitless, the Armma-Den. Thank you. Check it out. Armma Limitless Jaguar body plates, Velcro plates. Thank you.